I have a quick and easy vanilla pancake syrup recipe for you today. Only 4 ingredients needed. Hi, I'm Shelly at Frugal Family Home, where I create quick tutorials to help build your cooking and baking confidence. And today I'm going to show you how to take 4 simple pantry ingredients, well really 3 if you don't count the water, and make your own homemade vanilla pancake syrup. You don't have to buy it at the store anymore, and it's frugal too. So let's get started and I'll show you how easy it is to make. Here's our ingredients we're going to need for our homemade vanilla pancake syrup. We need a cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla, a tablespoon of molasses, and a half a cup of water. And we're going to just take our flavoring and move it aside because we won't need it until it's done cooking. To our pot, we're going to add our half cup of water, and to the water we're going to add our tablespoon of molasses. And finally, we're going to add our 1 cup of sugar. Then we're going to put our burner on high and just stir until the sugar is dissolved. I like to use a whisk because it breaks up any clumps in the sugar. That also helps to get that molasses off the bottom of the pot. The sugar is all dissolved and we're just going to remove our whisk. And what we need to do is we just have to wait till this comes to a full rolling boil. And you don't have to stir, you just wait till it comes up to a full boil. We're almost there. And here we are at a full rolling boil. It's just bubbling constantly without stopping. And even if I stirred it, I couldn't get it to stop. It's very steamy though. I know it's kind of hard to see, but you just want it going till it's just boiling. And then we're going to turn off the burner. And after we turn off the burner, we're going to let it sit on the burner until the bubbling stops. And now our bubbles have almost subsided. There's just a few. We're still going to wait just a few more minutes. We're almost there. And again, it's really important so that way you have a nice thick syrup to let this stay on the warm burner, even though it's turned off, until the bubbling ceases. Okay, now that our syrup has stopped bubbling, we're going to add our flavoring. And we're going to add our vanilla flavoring here to the pot. Just dump it in, and then we're just going to give it a stir to mix it. And to store our vanilla pancake syrup, I just have a cute little bottle here to put it in, and then we just want to pour our somewhat cooled syrup into the jar. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make your own homemade vanilla pancake syrup. Simple, easy, 3 to 4 ingredients, and you're done in a few minutes. And if you like this recipe, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell so you'll be notified when we have new videos available. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.